from the back. This bitch put it all on me. I got the Glock on me, and I got 223. Believe me when I say today ain't the day to run up on me. You gon' get P.O.P.
What's up with it, man? It's your boy CJ the Don back with another video, and today's video is going to be about how you get your hair in semi-twist or semi-freeform dreads or whatever you want to call it. The reason why they're semi-freeform and not fully formed or old-fashioned locks is because with semi-freeform locks, you don't go to a loctician to get it retwisted. You just let them do what it do. And with locks, real like old-fashioned locks, you'll go to a loctician. But today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get semi-freeform locks. So there's 3 ways you can start your semi-freeform dread. There are 3 ways. You can use a brush, you can use a microfiber towel, or you can use a sponge. Now, what I would recommend is this. This is a microfiber towel. You can get them anywhere for cheap. These would go like for $1.99. I seen some for like $1 or something. But get a semi-freeform towel. And before you can even start like thinking about getting semi-freeform locks, you have to grow your hair out to a certain extent. You can't have a small afro and expect to just instantly get semi-freeform. And mine's not fully locked yet, but I can't like pick mine out, so I can tell they're maturing. But you have to grow your hair out at least about, I'd say, 3 to 4 inches before starting. And this right here, it's a sea salt spray. You get sea salt and you get water and you mix it and you spray it in your hair. This is what makes it locks fast, but I'm gonna tell y'all where to start. So, you grow your hair out 3 to 4 inches, and you figure out that you want semi-freeform dreads. So you come home, you're like, okay, boom. You go straight to the sink, get water, boom, put it in your hair, bop, 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 bop. Okay, so with the microfiber towel, this is the best one to use and get semi-freeform dreads, so they won't be fat. They'll be like skinny or like regular twist. You would take this after your hair is damp. You would boom, hit it, boom, boom, boom. All right, y'all. So I'm back, man. My camera had died, but what I was saying is, after you pour your water and after you get water put in your hair and hit it and make it damp, you will go in with this for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just constantly boom, 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 going all around, going all around. And make sure when you twisting your hair, you going in the same direction so it won't mess up. Cause look, if you spin it with this, if you spin it right and then spin it left, it's just gonna unravel. So you need to make sure you always going in the same motion. And then after you done with that, after you hit it for about 10 to 15 minutes, you wanna grab this, spray it, pop, 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 and then boom. And then if you wanna add your beeswax or whatever you wanna add, you can add that. But I got this one product and it helps you grow your hair out super fast. So if you're impatient like me, like I cut my hair off like a million times before I could get to this point because I was impatient, and I would grow it out for a few months and I cut it because I think I want waves. Then I cut it and grow it and cut it and grow it. This the first time I ever this the longest I ever had my hair, and it goes like all the way down. Like it shrinks up, but look, bruh, it's alright, it's decent. But look, it's this right here, this will get your junk right. So you just apply that like regular oil, put it in there, massage your scalp, and make sure when you're in the process of getting semi-freeform dreads that you do not care how you look, because it's an ugly phase that you gotta go through. Because when you first get your dreads or semi-freeform twist, bro, it's not gonna look far automatically, because first you still gonna have frizzy hair and all that because you just started. and then your hair may be short, so it's gonna be like little twists. But it's okay, just keep doing the same process you do. Keep going in with this. I would say once in the evening, once in the middle of the day, and once at night, 10 to 15 minutes. And when you not twisting your hair and you just bored, just play with your hair, twist it like this by itself, so you can have your own unique style with it. And make sure you're not washing your hair. I cannot repeat this. I cannot I keep telling y'all this. Do not wash your hair, especially if you got 3A hair, which is a loose curl pattern, or if you got like white people hair, real straight. Do not wash your hair. You might want to wait to wash your hair for about 1 month or a month and a half if you got loose or straight hair. But if you got coarse hair like black people hair, you can wash your hair with probably in like the first 3 weeks again your locks, or they're not locks, semi-freeform locks. But remember to keep going with this. Don't stop. And it may be ugly, but you gotta think about how far it's gonna look after you get it growing out and how many girls you're gonna get. And then my haircut is I used to have a temp, but I told him to go higher, so now it's like I don't know, it's something. But I know I got the double tapered hairline, cause that's how I like my style like that. And yeah, that's the type of haircut I got. And this is how I started my way, and this is how my hair turned out. So if y'all want to have nice freeform dreads / the thought boy cut that you can get you all the girls, keep going in with the rag, the sponge, or the towel. And then let me tell you, with this brush, you're gonna get thin twists or medium-sized twists. With the sponge, you're gonna get like thick twists. Even if you use this side, you're still gonna get thick twists. I don't know why, but look, you should use this to get like depending on how you want your dress, because I know everybody not the same, and everybody not gonna want the kind of twist I got. So you might want to go a little thicker, or you might want to go medium size to skinny. But I go with the towel, and it gave me these like skinny twists. But I really like them. Like I like these type of twists, but everybody may not like them. But yeah, I just play with my hair when I'm not doing that. I twist it, especially and it's summer right now, and that's another thing. It's summertime. And I know a lot of y'all gonna want to get in the pool. A lot of y'all want to get water in the water and stuff. And depending on how your hair is and how mature your hair has been, the curls your twist could come out, and it could go right back to an afro. So this is why I'm telling y'all that if y'all want to get semi-freeform dreads, y'all have to stay out the water, or unless you just need to just get into the pool. But I'm just telling y'all that it will mess up your lock journey, and it's gonna seem like your hair is never locking, and that's because you're in water or you want to wash your hair every day of the week. It's not even good for you to wash your hair every day. You're supposed to wash it every 2 to 3 days, if you didn't know that, because when you wash your hair, it strips natural oils out your head and leave your head dry. If you keep washing it, it's going to be dried out and it's going to break. And with skinny twists, you got to be careful because they can dry out and break. But if they get too skinny, you can combine them, and you can use this oil to keep them real healthy and strong. And yeah, let me know what other videos y'all want on like what type of cut. Like I can go to my barber and ask him what specifically this is. Let me know if y'all want other products that grow your hair, because I have a lot of them. I know how to get your hair curly, different hairstyles. And yeah, I will be in Florida leaving Thursday. I might post this today, but it's gonna be up to date. And I'm leaving for Florida on Thursday, so best believe it's gonna be great content coming, and it's gonna be lit because my birthday coming, and I'm gonna be in Florida for my birthday. But yeah, if y'all want comment and like this video. If y'all want me to keep updating y'all on how long it get or how long they get, let me know if y'all want more dread updates, and let me know what other hair videos y'all want, and I'll see y'all next time.
I'm a big dog off the leash. Now I can step on my pivot.